I'm a superhero. Hey, Emily,
Yes, my love.
I feel like dancing.
Me too.
You want to dance with me?
Yeah, let's do just like a 30-second dance party.
Let's do a little 30-second dance party.
Yeah, why not?
I can't
Never
stop.
regret a 30-second dance party.
No.
What's your favorite move, Z?
Oh, squeak, 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 squeak,
Squeak.
squeak, squeak, and then hands up in the air.
Hands up in the air.
Hands up in the air. I said hands up.
In the air.
I said hands up.
In the air.
I said hands up.
Beep, 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 beep.
And then get down. And then get down. And then get down. And then get down. And go back.
Go down. And up. We go down.
And up.
Go
And down.
down.
And up. This feels
We do a
great.
swim. And up. We swim.
And up. I don't know how to swim yet.
That's okay. I'll teach you. That'll be our next class.
We're gonna go to swimming class. And we're gonna go to swimming class. Gonna get my floaties. Gonna get
Do your
my
favorite
floaties.
move again. I like dancing with you.
I like dancing with you too. You're very good.
So are you. Want to do a little booty shake?
Emily, I feel so much better.
Look, you never regret a 30-second dance break.